Kia ora koutou e te whānau te Umuariki me ngā mihi nui ki a koe, kia koutou katoa e te whānau, puta noa ki te ao nui tonu. Shout out to everyone. Hey, a quick kōrero. I'm going to try and make it quick. 5 points. Te Karakia Wero. We've just finished te Taha WAIRUA me te Taha Māui. The first part of our Karakia Wero, Karakia Tuatahi, ki te Karakia Tuangahuru, the 10 Karakia. Well done to you guys who have got halfway, te Taha Māui. We've just finished the Karakia Tuarima, the 5th Karakia. A little catch up, a little pause, a little drink break, and let's share some thoughts. Firstly, what I was hoping the outcome would be for you guys, it was essentially not to indoctrinate you, but to show different narratives, concepts, aspects, figure of speech, and the ways of our old people, in the word I used as karakia, to help with our reo. I'm going to look at it, I'm going to ask you to look at it now, ngā huanga, the outcomes, what have you gained from it, if anything? So anyone else who wants to join us or considering going to learn the reo somewhere else and different things they could do to help with their reo, has it helped you? Let's look at it through the window of looking at it through the aspect of the taha hinengaro. What did you learn? The taha wairua, the taha tinana, the taha whānau, and I'll add a 5th dimension for you personally. How has it helped you with your reo, with your confidence, with your knowledge, with the taha wairua, with everything? Rangatiratanga. The taha rangatiratanga. What did it do for you? Just quickly, just to consider these thoughts. Whānau. And I know you wrote them down, but let's talk about it a little bit more so others can understand what did you think before you did it, and what did you learn? Taha hinengaro. What did you learn by looking at the different types of karakia, from those different concepts, ko te pū, the different humanistic traits and aspects as we contribute to the universe, mihi ki te taiao, going into the bush and the different things we experience with the taha wairua? What did you learn? Yeah, tell us a bit about that. Secondly, yes, the taha wairua. If this is us in the physical, when you did go to those places, or even when you're in your car, going down the road and rounding up the cows on your farm, doing the Lord's Prayer, how were you able to bring in the taha wairua to help you? Tell us about that. Is there a wairua? Did you observe or did you notice one? The different wairua of each karakia and what it brought to you and what it brought up in you. Talk about that, taha wairua. So there's the hinengaro, the wairua, and what it did for your spirits, the taha wairua. And how could you use these karakia in different contexts and different times to help with the wairua. Ka pai, talk about that. The taha tinana, if that's the tinana, but in the karakia, its application and its uses. How could you use these different karakia in different places, the manifestation, to manifest and use these karakia? Did they whakatinana, did they meet the objective and whakatinana and help you with your reo and give your sounds and your audible sounds, your knowledge, your grammar in the written? How did it whakatinana? How did it help you? Talk about that. Whānau, au, koe, ia. Talk about what it did for self, for oneself, for interconnections with oneself, one's family, one's neighbour, one's country, and networks and meeting other people. Online here, talk about that. In the old days, they used to have to go around on probably one horse and everyone else on foot, haere mararo. They used to walk everywhere, go all the way over there, take their KOHA, take their kai and go and have a karakia and a whakawhanaungatanga. Whānau. Did we cover it? Hinengaro, wairua, tinana, whānau, and last of all, rangatiratanga. How has it helped you? Has it helped you? Yeah, rangatiratanga. If this is the whare tapawha and the whare taparima, you're the king of the castle. How has this helped you? How could it help you go further? and would you recommend it to others? What angle and what things would you say to people to help them on their journey of learning? And after all, there are so many wānanga out there now, either online or in person or from town to town. There's a lot more opportunity, even though we're busy to compete for time, but there's so many other options available today. Just talk about that and make some of your observations and some suggestions to others on their journey. Ka pai, that's probably enough for now. You guys have a great weekend. I look forward to your feedback, especially my guys doing the wero. And yeah, you know we're all waiting to hear it. So don't take all day about it, especially you, Raniera, over there in Te Pāpaka Māui. We're waiting to hear from you. Nō reire te iwi, kia pai o rā whakatā, e rongo whakairia, ki runga kia tīna, huie, tai ki e. Pukara!